In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Mailgun API key. We'll walk through exactly where to click inside your Mailgun dashboard so you can safely copy your API key, as well as your HTTP webhook signing key and verification public key if you need them. I'll also share a few quick tips to help you keep these keys secure once you have them. First, log into your Mailgun account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard and fully signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your account name there. On the right side of your account name, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the account menu. From the drop-down options, look for the one labeled API Security and click it. This will take you to the API Security page, which is where Mailgun keeps all of your API-related keys in one place. On this page, you'll see three main sections. One section allows you to create a Mailgun API key. Another section is for the HTTP webhook signing key. And the third section is for the verification public key. If you only need your HTTP webhook signing key or your verification public key, this is very simple. In each of those sections, look to the right-hand side for a small eye icon. By default, these keys are hidden for security reasons. Click the eye icon to reveal the key. Once you see it, highlight it, copy it, and then paste it somewhere safe, such as a secure password manager or your application's configuration, depending on what you're working on. Be careful not to share these keys publicly and avoid storing them in plain text where others can easily access them. Now, if you want to create a new Mailgun API key, stay on the same API security page and look for the button labeled Create Key. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to add a description for the API key you're creating. This description is just for your own reference, so choose something that clearly tells you what this key will be used for, like the name of the project or environment. After typing in your description, click the button to create the key. The pop-up will refresh and display your newly generated API key. This is very important. Mailgun will only show this key once. Before you close the pop-up, carefully copy the key and save it somewhere secure. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Mailgun API keys and know how to manage them safely.